Most people aren't failing financially, they're just missing the full picture. Welcome to Hidden Path Workshop. I'm Reginald Williams, and I have my business partner, Naomi Johnson, here with me. This is a weekly space for people who want clarity around retirement, protection, and long term direction, without hype and without pressure.
This is for if you're working hard, paying bills, doing what you think you're supposed to do, but still feel unsure whether your plan is actually leading where you want to go. By the end, you'll understand the three parts of a real financial foundation and how to tell whether your current setup is aligned or just a collection of accounts.
Before we go any further, I want to share a story about me and why I have a passion for what we do here. I was a firefighter in Massachusetts. Life was going well until one call changed my whole life. I blew out my L4 and L5 in my lower back. Then, fast forward to 2017, I was told that I needed a heart transplant. Now I was considered uninsurable. Knowing that being considered uninsurable, what was I going to do? Is there any options available to me? And to my surprise, there was. We can talk about that in more detail later. This is exactly why we are doing this.
Now let's talk about the real reason most people feel uncertain with money. If you can, grab a notebook. Write down anything that grabs your attention. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. I'll answer them near the end so we can stay focused.
All right, let's get the show started.